got? What? Give me. More what?
Wow. Whee! Whee!
You like that?
Whee! Wow, that was a high one. Wow.
You get that? You get that? Yes? Yes? More, please? Please? Say please.
Whee! Hi, Aunt Steph. You hungry yet? No. Oh, now you're up to tired? Well, you made a toenail today. Ah, that's true. You were on hiatus. Hi, Grandma. You ready to go home and make our Thanksgiving turkey?
Getting ready to go.
Okay, we're ready too. Plutonium potato. It's Catherine's second Thanksgiving of plutonium potatoes.
I want you ready.